Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm going to show you how to create a complete floor plan in Neo. First, we will create our project. Now we can start creating our floor plan. You can do that by using a wall tool or a room tool. I will use the room tool. Now I'm going to choose my doors and windows. For that, you can go to Catalogue and type in what you're looking for. You can change dimensions of the product by clicking on it and going to Edit. I will use the same doors for my two other rooms, so I will simply clone them. Now we will name our rooms and then we will start to furnish them, still in 2D mode. To change the name of the room, click in the middle, go to Edit, and now you can simply change the name. Now we can add furniture. If you want to align any of the products, you can work with X, Y, and Z to make sure they are in the right position. When we have our bigger items dropped in 2D, we can now switch to 3D and work with decorative objects and some textures. First, I will choose a different flooring. You can use the ones that we have in our catalog, or you can upload your own textures. In textures, I will choose floor and wood. Now I will edit the texture so it looks the way I want it to. I will copy the texture to my other rooms. For that, I will use the Copy Texture tool. You can use horizontal and vertical offsets to align your floors between the rooms. Now I will add some colors to my walls. You can change the texture and color of any product that you have in your project. I've changed some textures, and now before we start decorating, I will add missing pieces to my kitchen. Now it's time to style the space. We can add some art, and at the end, the very important lighting. We can move to 2D now, switch to ceiling plan mode and apply some ceiling lights. Now we can go back to 3D and change the position of lamps if needed. Our floor plan is now completed. Hope I showed you how easy you can design the spaces in Neo. Feel free to check out our other videos on how to, and have fun when designing your spaces.